Hello friends, the question is 64 to the power negative 5 over 6 multiplied by 32 to the power 6 over 5 equals what? And here are the options. Let's simplify this. First, let's recall a rule. When we have a to the power negative b, then it can be 1 over a to the power b. So according to this rule, this part can be written as 1 over 64 to the power 5 over 6. So this can be written as 32 to the power 6 over 5 over 64 to the power 5 over 6. Now 32 is 2 to the power 5 and 64 is 2 to the power 6. Now this 2 and this 2 can multiply, so this 2 and this 2 will be eliminated. Now we have 2 to the power 6 over 2 to the power 5. 2 to the power 6 can be written as 2 to the power 5 plus 1. And when we have a to the power b plus c, then it can be a to the power b times a to the power c. So this can be written as 2 to the power 5 times 2 to the power 1 over 2 to the power 5. These 2 will be cancelled. So option D is the correct answer. Thanks for joining. Until next one. Bye bye.